In this video, we break down the top 5 best tennis racket for beginners you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best tennis racket for beginners on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best tennis racket for beginners are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Wilson Federer Tennis Racket. One of the standout features of this racket is its air-light alloy frame, which enhances stability and durability while keeping the overall weight manageable. The racket feels well balanced, ensuring that players can swing comfortably without feeling too much strain on their arms. The grip size 3, 4 and 3/8 inches is a medium grip, which suits most adult players. It provides good comfort and control, though players with smaller or larger hands may prefer to adjust with an overgrip or different size selection. Additionally, the racket comes with volcanic frame technology, which enhances stability and control, allowing players to maintain accuracy while adding power to their shots. The longer length, 27.25 inches, provides extra reach, which can be beneficial when trying to return difficult shots. The Wilson Federer racket is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great choice for players who want to play without excessive arm fatigue. The stop shock pads integrated into the frame help reduce vibrations, providing a smoother and more comfortable playing experience. This feature is particularly helpful for players who may experience wrist or elbow discomfort when using heavier or stiffer rackets. Our second best tennis racket for beginners is Head Tie Conquest Tennis Racket. The Head Tie. Conquest is designed to provide a good mix of power and control. While it may not generate as much power as some oversized head rackets, it offers great control, allowing beginners to focus on accuracy and technique. The larger head size, 108 square inches, creates a larger sweet spot, which helps minimize mishits and makes it easier to return shots with confidence. This is a big advantage for beginners who are still working on their consistency. Since this racket is lightweight, it's easy to swing without feeling heavy or causing arm fatigue. The head-light balance ensures that the racket remains comfortable to maneuver, making it ideal for learning different strokes and techniques. Additionally, the pre-strung tension is solid for casual play, but intermediate players may eventually want to restring it with higher quality strings for better spin and precision. While this racket is not specifically designed for advanced spin generation, its balanced frame and maneuverability allow for decent topspin and slice shots. Stability is also decent for an entry-level racket, though higher-level players may find it lacks the solid feel of professional-grade rackets. The Head Tie Conquest Tennis Racket is built with titanium technology, which helps enhance durability while keeping the frame lightweight. Number 3 in our list is Yonex VCORE Ace Tennis Racket. If you're a beginner or intermediate player looking for a lightweight, easy-to-handle tennis racket with great spin potential and maneuverability, the Yonex VCORE Ace Tennis Racket in Tango Red is a fantastic option. With Yonex's signature isometric head shape, high-quality graphite frame, and forgiving sweet spot, this racket is designed to help players improve their control, consistency, and spin. The first thing you'll notice about the Yonex VCORE Ace is its sleek Tango Red colorway, giving it a bold and modern look. As expected from Yonex, the build quality is top-notch, with a high modulus graphite frame that provides both durability and flexibility. Additionally, the racket features an open string pattern, 16 by 19, which allows players to generate more spin with ease. Whether you like hitting topspin forehands or slicing backhands, this racket offers excellent grip on the ball. The VCORE Ace is more control-oriented, making it a great choice for players who want to work on their precision and shot placement. Fourth recommendation in our side is Gamma Ace Tennis Racket. Whether you're working on improving your technique, playing for fun, or participating in competitive matches, this racket delivers consistent performance without breaking the bank. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and well-rounded tennis racket, the Gamma Tour Ace is definitely worth considering. This racket is perfect for intermediate players, ideal for players who are looking to refine their control and power. Casual recreational players, great for men and women who play regularly for fitness or fun. Players looking for an all-around racket, well suited for players who want a balance of power and control without compromising either. Singles and doubles players, works well for both baseline rallies and quick volleys. If you're an advanced player who relies heavily on spin and control, you may prefer a more specialized racket designed for advanced play with additional customization options. Comfort is key, and the Gamma Tour Ace doesn't disappoint. The lightweight construction and headlight balance make it easy to swing and maneuver, minimizing arm fatigue during long practice sessions or matches. The balanced weight distribution provides a stable feel when striking the ball, especially during volleys or off-center hits.
Last in our top 5 best tennis racket for beginners list is Dunlop Sports CX Team Pre-Strung Tennis Racket. Comfort is key for any player, and the Dunlop CX Team delivers on that front. The lightweight build helps reduce the strain on your arm during long rallies, while the vibration dampening technology in the frame helps to soften the shock on off-center hits. This makes it a comfortable choice for players prone to tennis elbow, or those looking for a racket that reduces unwanted vibrations. The racket's stability is also noteworthy, offering solid performance even when hitting off-center shots. While it is not as stable as heavier rackets used by advanced players, it is still very forgiving and provides consistent feedback on every stroke. The Dunlop CX Team racket's open string pattern, 16 by 19, encourages the creation of spin, making it a great choice for players who want to add topspin or slice to their game. The spin potential helps to maintain control over aggressive shots, especially on high-speed returns or when you're looking to keep the ball deep in the court. If you're someone who likes to work angles or change the pace of rallies, this racket delivers the control you need. Whether you're hitting the court for fun or seeking improvement in your game, the Dunlop CX Team delivers a fantastic performance across a variety of playing styles. The Dunlop Sports CX Team Pre-Strung Tennis Racket is a solid choice for players who are looking for a high-quality, versatile racket that blends power, control, and comfort.